Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on the notifications on the Pocket Love Qt Live Stream application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take 5 minutes when the application is uploading. And go to the three lines at the upper left corner of the screen and click to the settings icon. In the third option, the notifications, just click to the bell icon, and the notifications is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.